Good morning, everyone. This is Gail with TradersHelpDesk, and I've got 3 contracts on the USDJPY for 8 a.m. expiration, and my strike price is at 109.22. Now, I kind of want to show everybody why I entered that, and as you can see, this is the 15-minute chart. It has broken through this ATR, went to the congestion dot, retraced back to the ATR, and my anticipation is that it is going to break through this congestion dot. You can also see that we had hidden divergence on that as well. And I'm going to change this to magenta. And this is the congestion dot that I think is going to break through. But when you're looking at this, this is a higher low with a lower low in the stochastics. This is what I call hidden divergence. And that actually will kick off this move to the upside. Now, in addition to that, we had a 240-minute chart that is overbought. So even though at the moment we may get a retracement on the 60-minute, I do think it will break through the ATR in the 60-minute, forming a congestion dot, very similar to what you see here. Now, I do have on the binary option, I do have an order at 85. So that means, and for those of you that are not familiar with this, I am long. That means I bought this price. So I am waiting for this price to get to 85. So, and it has to do it in the next half an hour. So if I see that it's going to bounce down off of that congestion dot, I'll probably exit the trade early. I just wanted to show the 240-minute chart. You can actually see that this is overextended, but it's turning up. We also had a reversal bar here, and that tells me we should get a retracement on the 240-minute chart. Now, this formation is appearing on all of the dollar currencies. And I think we're going to have retracements prior to the non-farm employment change report that's coming out on Friday. And I'm going to be watching this all week because I think it's going to set up for a move on Friday. Okay, I just wanted to show what my risk was on this trade. And it was about $38.25 per contract. There's only about 25 minutes left, and I entered on this bar. Now, this ended up making a 3-bar reversal. You see that right here. I saw the weakness on this bar, so that's where I entered in anticipation that this bar would close above the high of that bar. So this is just like reading technical analysis with price bar analysis for your entry. You could actually even zero down in time to a 5-minute to take your profits. The 5-minute typically makes me a little bit nervous, so I don't do that very often. But you do have that option. Now, for those that are wondering how I find these markets that are overextended, it's because I use the Multicharts Scanner, and you can see right here it identifies oversold markets. So when the USDJPY was oversold, it was listed here. So I knew that I could focus on that market. Just like right now, I could look at the US CAD, or I could look at the USD Swiss franc. Again, just tools that help you identify which market is overextended or which market is best to trade. Now, although I'm using the Multicharts Scanner, we also have a NinjaTrader Market Analyzer that pretty much will do the same thing. Okay, as you can see, the order did get filled at 85. So I was able to make a nice profit on that one little trade. And basically, it was simply because the higher time frame was fueling this move to the upside.